The omnipotent nature of divinity necessitates an exploration into the concept of divine temporality. An enduring postulate among theologians and scholars is that God exists transcendentally, unhindered by the constraints of time as humanity understands it. Consequently, all temporal events, from their initiation to culmination, unfold simultaneously in what can be analogized as an eternal now, from the divine vantage point. Thus, even as humans exercise free will and autonomy, the consequences of their actions, decisions, and eventualities are preordained and lucidly perceived by the divine. In the context of the 10 plagues depicted in the Book of Exodus, the infliction upon Egypt serves as a compelling case study. Despite Pharaoh's free will, the divine foreknowledge ensured that the sequence and implementation of the plagues accorded with God's will. An intriguing example of this synchronicity is the correlation between the first 2 plagues, the transformation of the Nile's waters into blood, followed by the inundation of frogs. Empirical studies have shown that frogs possess the remarkable ability to undergo sex reversal in response to certain environmental catastrophes. Given the devastation of aquatic life due to the water's contamination, it's conceivable that frog eggs, typically consumed by fish, thrived. Concurrently, male frogs undergoing sex reversal could increase the frog population at an unprecedented scale, leading to the second plague. Furthermore, the symbolic relevance of this plague extends beyond mere ecological implications. In the ancient Egyptian pantheon, Hecate, represented iconographically with a frog's head, was the deity of fertility and childbirth. The inundation of frogs is a theological challenge to Hecate's sovereignty. This overwhelming manifestation of frogs, while symbolizing fertility, paradoxically transformed it into a curse, highlighting God's supreme authority. The esoteric interpretation offers another layer. The first dimension, associated with the planet Mercury and the astrological sign of Taurus, resonates with the concept of foundational fertility, akin to a seed's potential. This dimension's correlation with the foundational attribute in the divine emanation of Tarsus underscores the theological potency of the second plague manifesting from the first dimension. The frogs, symbols of fertility, echo the essence of the first dimension, making the second plague not merely an ecological event, but a divine statement rooted in the foundational tenets of creation. The unified theory of and Atlantean astrology.